सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 7, verse number 25. नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको मामजमव्ययम्. This shloka is the essence of Upanishads. Essence of the Upanishad is that revealing the Atma Swarupam as the cause of entire university. University is nothing but universe, because just while coming I am talking about Vedanta University. That's why it is coming in my words. The whole creation is nothing but Atma Swarupam. Veda established that. In this shloka, Lord Krishna says, even though as Para Prakriti, my higher nature is everywhere, all pervading, why people are not able to see? He gives the reason here. Very evident, always available. But people cannot understand this. This is the greatest wonder in the world. If it is not available, if you cannot see it, if you cannot experience it, this is a different matter. But when it is available all the time, ever evident, that is not known to the people means something secret is there. What is that? What is that factor which is hiding that Swarupam from these people? For that Lord Krishna says, Yoga Maya Samavritaha. Yoga Maya is the cause. Even though my higher nature is ever evident, people look at me as an avatara. The Krishna is not an avatara. And every year they conduct Krishna Ashtami and they take me as only a body. Why they are not able to know my real nature, which is my essence actually? My essence they are leaving, my fake body-mind complex they are taking real. That is because of Yoga Maya Samavritaha. Veiled by my Yoga Maya. Then we will get anger. By my Yoga Maya, he says. Why you have to create such Yoga Maya and making us, all of us, not to know that? It is just like saying, I have created everything, Yoga Maya also I have created. All people, you have to suffer. What? When you breathe in, so many bacteria will go inside. When you breathe out, nothing will come out. All will stay inside. And with a lot of bugs he has created this universe. My Yoga Maya I have created. Really we feel why Bhagavan is like this. Another doubt may come. This yoga maya which is veiling everything, will it not veil the Bhagavan? Will it not cover him? When it is covering everybody, everybody's intellect it is covering, veiling, will it not cover that Bhagavan? Shastra says, Krishna Paramatma himself says, that yoga maya is my upadhi, because of whose power this yoga maya is existing. Because of whose power, Shakti, this yoga maya itself existing as a upadhi to the Bhagavan. Upadhi means a medium. Because of Atma, body is existing, or body is existing, Atma is existing because of body. Body is existing because of Atma. Similarly, the Jiva Atma here in this body, my Upadhi is what? This body. Without me, the Jiva Atma, this body cannot exist. Similarly, the whole Maya is my Upadhi. Because of me, only the Upadhi existing. Therefore, it cannot veil me, it cannot cover me, it cannot delude me. It can delude everyone, the people, but Yoga Maya is under my control, he says. Yoga Maya Samavritaha. We have to understand Yoga Maya Samavritaha means that Trigunatmika Maya Samavritaha Nartham. Three gunams are there. What are those three gunams? Sattva, Rajas, Tama guna. Three gunas put together, Gunatraya Sahita Yoga Maya. Whenever Yoga Maya comes word, the three gunas we have to remember. Aham na prakashaha. Therefore, because of this reason, Yoga Maya is covering them. I am not evident. We have understood in the second chapter, when I say I am the OC consciousness and RC Sukshma Shariram, reflected consciousness. Both are there whenever I say I. This Yoga Maya covers this OC or RC. You are all advanced students. Advanced students are class varamal irukadungo. Once in a while I will tell that to encourage you. When I say I am, that Bimba Chaitanyam is there, Pratibimba Chaitanyam is also there. This Yoga Maya is covering the people, Lokaha. Which one it is covering, we have to understand carefully. It cannot cover the Bimba Chaitanyam. It cannot cover the Bimba Chaitanyam OC. OC is nothing but that Paramatma only. So it cannot cover. Not only that, this Maya to exist, this OC only Karana. Therefore it cannot cover. Then whom it will cover? In the RC, in the mind, this mind is covered. We are not able to understand. Because of this Yoga Maya, this Sukshma Sarira mind is not able to understand that OC. This is called covering. It is a subtle, very difficult. The teacher's job is here only, really toughest job. Panchajanyan Rishikesha, any teacher can say. Okay, simple verses, it is easy to explain. But this type of subtle points, you require a tremendous focusing mind. This Yoga Maya cannot cover me, the Atma Swarupam, but the Yoga Maya can cover this Sukshma Sriram, that mind. Mind is veiled by. What it does now? Ayam Mudaha na abhijanati. Because of this Yoga Maya, I am not evident for the people. Sarvasya na prakashaha. I am not evident. I am not recognizable. I am not known to all people. For everyone, sarvasya means for everyone I am not available. To whom I am going to available, and he is going to say, I am not available for everyone. Moodhaha ayam lokaha. Being deluded, moodhaha ayam, this lokaha, this knower pramata is veiled by the Yogamaya. This OC is neither knower not known, isn't it? OC Bimba Chaitanyam is not Pramata. Who is Pramata? RC only Pramata. Mind alone is called Pramata. Knower only Pramata. This Pramata is covered by Maya. That is called Lokaha here. Lokaha means not Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka. Loka means அதுக்கு ஒரு ஒரு இடத்துல ஒரு ஒரு மீனிங் பார்த்தா லோகா என்ன அர்த்தம்? To that knower, to that person, to that seeker, to that knower, people of this world, who is the everyone is knower, not knower of Atma, knower of everything other than Atma. Why it is called lokaha na? Lokyate anena iti lokaha. Last class I was telling, by which something is known, by which something is known. Lokyate anena iti lokaha. Loka is that through which I am knowing so many things. Through which I am knowing so many things. Similarly, this through knower, lokyate anena. Through this knower, I am knowing the mic, I am knowing the desk, I am knowing the wall, I am knowing the fan, I am knowing the light. Therefore, through which knower something is known. That is called lokyate anena iti lokaha. That is why the whole world is called lokaha. Puriyarda? Bhuloka, Dyuloka, Swarga Loka, inna lokamanna. Through which loka you are knowing something. Bhuloka you are knowing something or not? You are knowing. Similarly, this knower also knowing. Therefore, this knower also can be called as lokaha. இந்த அளவுக்கு படிக்கணும்னா பொறுமை இருக்கணும். ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல 10 ஸ்லோகம் சொல்லிட்டு முடிச்சுட்டு போயிடலாம். பகவத்கீதை சுவாமி எப்பதான் முடிக்க போறேன், எப்ப முடிக்க முடியும்? இப்படிதான் படிக்கணும். என்ன பண்றது? If you study like this only, you can understand what is the real meaning of the word lokaha. Na abhijanati moodaha ayam lokaha. Deluded people do not know me. They don't take note of this this property. What property? This Krishna, Vasudeva Krishna, Devaki Krishna is a property. They don't notice this. It is as a property. Na abhijanati. They don't understand. They do not know. They don't understand. They never notice what? Mam ajam avyayam. They never notice me. That's why everybody is happy. வெண்ண திருடன் கிருஷ்ணன் எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும். ஏன்னா வெண்ண திருடுறது என்னென்ன தவறு பகவான் அந்தந்த ஸ்டோரி என்னென்ன ஸ்டோரி தெரியுமோ, எங்க பக்தன் வந்து நிறைய தப்பு பண்ணுவான். லாட் ஆஃப் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் he does. And at last he say Narayana Krishna சொன்ன உடனே பகவான் வந்து protected him. This type of stories people love so much. Have you noticed it? They go to that. Wherever bhaktas commit lot of mistakes, error, committing mistakes and mistakes with ahankara, pride, jealousy, kama, krodha, they do lot of mistakes. And at the last moment they come and, hey Bhagavan, and சொன்ன உடனே இவர் ஓடி வருவார். You see the crowd of people go there. ஏன்னா இவன் நிறைய பண்றான். This is the psychology I have studied. Today என்னமோ ஞாபகம் வந்தது மனசு. Why people are running to this புராண காலக்ஷேபம் என்றால்னா அங்க கதையெல்லாம் இப்படிதான் இருக்கும். நீ என்ன தப்புன்னா பண்ணு, ஒரு வாட்டி பகவான் பேர் சொன்னா போதும்னு சொல்லிடுவான். அப்பா நான் அதுதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் ஏற்கனவே. அங்க அந்த மாதிரி புராண காலக்ஷேபம் போன உடனே ஒரு நிம்மதி மனசுக்கு. என்ன நெக்ஸ்ட் டே ஆல்சோ he goes so that I can commit mistakes and I can remember that God, He will protect me. What psychology is this psychology? You want to live as inferior as you want. உனக்கு தெரியாது, உனக்கு தெரியாமலே அறியாமலே உள்ள மனசு என்ன, இது யோக மாயா. அதுக்கு தான் இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தேன். யோக மாயான்னா எங்கேயோ இல்லை, யோக மாயா இஸ் திஸ். And they quote so many bhaktas, Jadabharta name, Ambarisha name, and the Durvasa name. All these, they are great people. They just utter their names and these people are spending their time. They never think. Na abhijanati. They do not know me, what me. They know only when the Tiridan Krishna, Gopika Krishna, they do not know my Chaitanya Swarupam, Ajam Avyayam. Ajam means birthless. I don't have Krishna Ashtami at all, Arjuna. Krishna Ashtami, Rama Navami are not there to me. But they always give importance to that Ashtami and Navami. It will become Yoga Maya, okay? Sit in a comfortable posture, okay? Na abhijanati, mam ajam, ajam means birthless, and avyayam, navyeti iti avyayam, and decayless. Avya means no declension, no decline, no destruction. I have no destruction, I have no change at all. I am a changeless Atma Swarupam, Chaitanya Swarupam. My name and form, this Krishna form, is temporary, my lower nature, my inferior nature, not my real nature. It is a fake form. You worship it. But don't commit a mistake that is real. That's what Krishna wants to say. Saguna Ishvara as Krishna, you eat Murku Chidai, no problem. Every year you celebrate Krishna Ashtami, Gokula Ashtami, ella Ashtami celebrate pannu. But எனக்கு என்ன ஒரு பரிதாபம்னா அந்த ஃபார்மே நிஜமா நீ நினைச்சுக்காதே அவரே சொல்றாரு பாவம். That is unreal. That is only for Adhama Bhaktas, Madhyama Bhaktas. What is that? Krishna taking as a body by a person. What type of Bhakta he is? Adhama Bhakta, the lowest cadre. Artham. Krishna as Avatara, Madhyama Bhakta. Krishna is not only a personal God, not only a body, physical body, he is a great Avatara. If I look at him as Avatara, I am a Madhyama Bhakta. Seeing Lord Krishna as Chaitanya Swarupam, real nature, this body is a shell to Lord Krishna, but real Krishna is Chaitanya Swarupam. Whoever knows he is what type of Bhakta? Uttama Bhakta. Now you decide you want to be Uttama Bhakta or Madhyama Bhakta or Adhama Bhakta. I don't want to ask you. You decide. Krishna asking. Ajam Avyayam. So the Lord Krishna, if you take it as a body, he has got birth, Krishna Jananam, Kondadra Krishna Jananam, Krishna last stage, Niryanam also are there. You want such a God who is having birth and death? Even Avatara also disappears after some time. Rama Jananam is there, Rama disappears. Once your Rama disappears, you feel problem. You want such a God who is available all the time. So therefore, Lord Krishna says, if you know my real nature, my higher nature, which is birthless and deathless, I am ever available. Chaitanya Swarupa. I am ever available, Lord Krishna says. Next shloka we will read. Ever available where? Here now itself as Atma Swarupam. Next shloka, 26. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschana. Now Lord Krishna presents, this is also very, very important shloka. Bhagavan giving answer for that question. Will not that Yoga Maya delude Bhagavan? He says, never. It cannot delude me. This is another aspect of Para Prakriti. Whenever Lord Krishna glorifies, that is called Para Prakriti. Para Prakriti is ever the knower, never the known. He is going very deep. Look into the meaning, word by word meaning, then I will give the essence, deep meaning. Aham Veda, I know. This Veda is a verb, not 4 Vedas. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Chillakudadu. That Veda is a noun, Namavachakam. This Veda is a verb, with to know. I know. Aham means I. Veda means know. I know. What I know? Samatitani vartamanani bhavishyani cha bhutani aham Veda. I know all the beings. Bhutani aham Veda. Bhutani means not Panchabhutams. எது சொன்னா கூட நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச மீனிங் சொல்லணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அது இல்லைன்னு சொல்லணும். நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? பூதானி மீன்ஸ் வாட் we know? அக்னி, வாயு, வருணா, ஜலம், பிருத்வி, இதுதான் தெரியும். பட் ஹியர் பூதானி மீன்ஸ் ஆல் பீயிங்ஸ், ஆல் லிவிங் பீயிங்ஸ். பூதானி, all the beings. What are they? Samatitani bhutani. You have to supply bhutani to everyone. All the 3. Samatitani bhutani. I know all the beings belonging to the past. Samatitani means, atitani means already gone, dead and gone. Belonging to the past. Past beings, all I know. Arjuna, do you know? அப்படியே அர்த்தம். எனக்கு தெரியும் உனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு தானே அர்த்தம். If Arjuna knows, Bhagavan cannot say Aham Veda. If Arjuna knows, Aham Veda means I know, Samatitani Bhutani means that you do not know Nardam. Isn't it? I know when 2 people are talking each other, I know that. That means what? You are indirectly telling the other person do not know. Isn't it? So therefore, you do not know, but I know. Not only past beings, Vartamanani. Now all the beings who are all alive now, Vartamanani Bhutani. The present beings and Artham. Bhavishyani cha. All the future going beings are also I know. Even you do not know great-great-grandchildren, your children. Bhagavan knows. Your children who are going to come, your grandchildren are there. Your grandchildren, are you going to see? இது என்ன பாருங்க. You can see your children, you can see your grandchildren, you can see your great-grandchildren also. By that time you are 100. You cannot see your great-great-grandchildren. Grandchildren's grandchildren? Any one of you can say? Enna tragic news, Swamini. Why can't we see? You can't see. That's all. Fortunately or unfortunately, we are unable to. But whereas Bhagavan, Bhavishyani cha bhutani aham veda. Therefore he is God. Bhavishyani cha bhutani. Na kaschana mam veda, Arjuna. I know all of them, the past beings, present beings, future coming beings also I know. But no one can know me. No one can know me. This is like saying these Muslim girls, if you go to that SIT college side, they put burqa theriyuma, parda, gosha. They put that black and they can see everyone, but you cannot see their face. You cannot see their face. They can see everyone. Otherwise, if they don't see, they will fall down. They know, they see, but you cannot see them. Similarly, some cars, when you are traveling, you can see all people, but you cannot see the person who is sitting in the car. That type of glasses they arrange. One paper they will stick to that glass so that no one can see them. So these cinema actors and our politicians and all, especially cinema actors, they sit in such type of cars, they travel because people should not see them. அது என்ன பிராரப்தம் பாவம். இவட பணம் பேரு எல்லாம் இருக்கு, வெளியில தெரியக்கூடாதுன்னு. Lot of insecurity for them. So they sit inside, they can see everything, but none of us can see who is sitting inside. அது மாதிரி பகவான் சொல்றாரு, I am there everywhere, no one can see me, but I see everyone. Not only present people, past, future. Therefore Bhagavan, you tell me, am I going to get granddaughter, grandson? Then Bhagavanku theriyum. You please tell me, am I going to get granddaughter, grandson? Na solla maten. Bhagavan won't say. You cannot get secret from the Lord. He knows what it means. What it means is kada. That is called Atma Swarupam. As a Chaitanyam, I was available in the past, I am available at present, I am going to be there in the future. What he was not there, what is not going to be there? This body. Present it is here now, this body. But it was not there in the past, 16th century, 17th century, 16th, 17th, 19th century, half lo vandittu Swamini. We were not there. As a body, it's not there. At present, this body is available. But after 2000, what? 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, ஒன்னும் தெரியாது. இந்த மிடில் கொஞ்ச நாள் பகவான். That means as a body you cannot know anything. Even Krishna as a body. As Dwapara Yuga Krishna, avataram he took in Dwapara Yuga. Kali Yuga Krishna avataram irukka? Kadiyadu. Dwapara Yuga Krishna avataram we are worshipping. Yes? Edavadhu sandehama? Who knows this? Nobody knows except my Bhakta, Jnani Bhakta knows. Jnani Bhakta only knows. Now tell me, Bhagavad Gita class, how great it is. Jnani Bhakta knows. No one can know this. What? Krita Yugam, there was Atma Swarupam. Treta Yugam, there was Atma Swarupam. Dwapara Yugam also Atma Swarupam is there. Kali Yugam also Atma Swarupam is there. This Atma Swarupam only Jnani Bhakta knows. Artha Bhakta do not know. Artharthi Bhakta do not know. Even Jignasu Bhakta also do not know. Still he is in process. So which type of Bhakta you want to be? Tell me now. Jnani Bhakta. சொல்லி பழகுங்க கொஞ்ச நாள். சொல்லணும் நான் ஞானி பக்தன் ஆகணும். I want to know that Krishna Paramatma, not temporary Dwapara Yuga Krishna. I want to know that Krishna's essence which was in Krita Yuga, which was in Treta Yuga in the form of Rama, in the form of Krishna, in the form of all beings. That's one knower. Now come to the real essence here. Mam tu vedana kaschana. Nobody knows me. Hey Arjuna, means what? No, even the knower. Para Prakriti is ever the knower. The knower, Pramata, is never known. Para Prakriti is ever the subject. Vada Chaitanyam here. Mam means Chaitanyam. The subject, never the object. Para Prakriti is ever the subject, never the object. Para Prakriti is ever the observer, never the observed. Atma Chaitanyam. Para Prakriti means what? Atma Chaitanyam, ever the observer, never the observed. Para Prakriti Atma Chaitanyam is ever the experiencer, never the experienced. If I say I got Krishna Darshanam, what Darshanam that is? Lower nature, Apara Prakriti of Sri Krishna. If I got Shiva Darshanam means what? Apara Prakriti of that Shiva. If I got Darshanam and சொன்ன போச்சு. ஏன்னா அந்த ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம், சர்வகத ஆத்ம சைத்தன்யம், that is awarer. Awarer can never aware of himself. Why? Why enna Swamini? I need not know me. I know myself. I need not know. You want to know yourself? எனக்கு நான் தெரியணும் சுவாமினி என்ன, எனக்கு நான் தெரியணும். இங்க ஒரு அர்த்தம் இருக்கு. எனக்கு நான் தெரியணும்னா என்னுடைய மனசுக்கு நான் ஆத்மானு தெரியணும், அது வேற விஷயம் இல்லையா? As Atma, I need not know myself because I am as the self knowing everything. Since I am evident to myself, I need not know anything. What I do not know, only I have to search for. But then why people are searching even though they are Atma? Even though they are Atma, they are all self-full. All beings self-a? Self-a. Analu self-knowledge I want to get. Enna ardham? Really speaking, you cannot get self-knowledge. You recognize I am self. I get self-knowledge means what? I will lose also. That's why at one point of explanation we say there is no self-knowledge also. There is only self. I remain as self. இதுதான் மோட்சம். மோட்சம் அடையிறது ஒன்றும் கிடையாது ஆக்சுவலா. என்ன சுவாமி ஏற்கனவே இதே புரியல, நீங்க வேற ஹைட்டுக்கு போற சப்ஜெக்ட் அப்படிதான். இல்லைன்னா நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம். ஒரு நாளைக்கு எனக்கு செல்ஃப் நாலேஜ் வராதா, என்ன ஒரு நாள் எனக்கு செல்ஃப் நாலேஜ் வராதா? கண்டிப்பா வரும். ஆத்ம ஞானம் வருமா வராதா? ஏ யூ ஆர் ஆத்மா நவ் இட் செல்ஃப். ஒய் ஒரு நாள் இப்போ ஆத்மாவா இருக்கு. யூ ஆர் as ஆத்மா. யூ மீன்ஸ் உச்சா. ஐ am addressing whom? OC or RC? I am addressing whom as you are Atma. Now you are OC, not RC. I am telling you are evident to yourself now when I say you are as OC, original conscious. You have to work for moksha whenever I use the word. You have to work for moksha, you have to put lot of sadhana whenever I say, which RC I am addressing. அப்போ நீங்கள் தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லும்போது இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் ஆர்சிக்கு ஆர் டைரக்டிங் டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஆர்சி ஆர் ஓசி. ஐ எம் ஆல் பர்வேடிங் అని சொன்னப்போ ஓசி. I have lot of prarabdha, RC. I got previous so many janmas, papam I got, RC. I am ever evident, Chaitanya Swarupam, my own nature. So in the round point track, okay, we have to understand, confuse ஆகக்கூடாது. மாயா கவர்ஸ் சொன்ன உடனே டக்குன்னு ஆர்சிக்கு போகணும். புரியுறத? திரிகுணாத்மிகா மாயா இஸ் கவரிங் மீ சொன்ன எந்த மீ? ஆர்சி. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன் விவேக புத்தி இருந்தால் தான் யூ கேன் கோ அலாங் வித் த சப்ஜெக்ட். என்ன சுவாமினி புரியவே இல்லை, அப்படியே அந்த ஸ்டக் ஆகக்கூடாது. பாயிண்ட்ல ஸ்டக் ஆகிட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகிடும்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் போக முடியாது. ஒருவேளை புரியலன்னா கூட அந்த டைமுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் கீப் இட் அசைடு, அப்படியே ஒரு ஓரமாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. கோ ஹெட், அந்த டவுட் வில் பி கிளியர்டு லேட்டர். அந்த அளவுக்கு பொறுமை இருக்கணும். இதெல்லாம் எப்படி வரும்னா கன்சிஸ்டன்டா லேர்னிங் இருந்தால் தான் வரும். அது வேற. அப்போ இந்த கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் சொன்னாலே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு பயம். சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படிதான், சுவாமி நீங்கள் ரெகுலராக வரணும்னு சொன்னால அதனால வரதே இல்லை கிளாஸுக்குன்னா. இது என்ன ரெகுலராக வரணும்னு தானே சொல்லணும், அப்பப்போ வாங்க கிளாஸுக்கு சொல்லு. ஓகே நைஸ். whenever students comes, it is my job to say the student has to study systematically, consistently, regularly. They have to come to class. and சொல்லணுமா வேண்டாமா? whenever you have time you come. So what type of teacher I am? How can I guide the student? How can I give self knowledge to that student? Tell me. அதனால அப்பப்போ நான் சொன்னா கூட சீரியஸா எடுத்துக்காதுங்க. நீங்க வந்துட்டே இருங்க, அப்பப்போ ஆப்சென்ட், அது வேற விஷயம். பட் நான் சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பேன். நான் எவ்வளவு சொன்னாலும் நீங்க வரமாட்டேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா நிறைய ரிசப்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குமே, சீசன் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். அந்த சீசன் இந்த சீசன் முகூர்த்த நாள் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். என்ன பண்றது? ஒரு கிளாஸுக்கு 15 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆப்சென்ட் டக்குன்னு. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு முகூர்த்த நாள் சுவாமினி என்ன. கிருஷ்ணா பகவத்கீதை எப்பவுமே இருக்கும், முகூர்த்தம் வருமா திருப்பி வராது இல்லையா? அக்கேஷனல் லெக்சர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ தேர் டிஸ்கோர்சஸ், அதெல்லாம் அக்கேஷனெல்லாம் வைப்பான். அதுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன் சுவாமி, நீங்க எப்போதும் இருப்பா இல்லையோ, சரி போயிட்டு வாங்கோ. நான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே தயாரா இருக்கணும். நீங்க ரிசப்ஷனுக்கு போனாலும் தயாரா இருக்கணும், வேற லெக்சருக்கு போனாலும் தயாரா இருக்கணும், அப்பப்போ ஊருக்கு போய் டூர் போயிட்டு வந்தாலும் தயாரா இருக்கணும். இவன் வெளிநாட்டுக்கு போய் 6 மாசம் வரலன்னா கூட தயாரா இருக்கணும். அப்ப என்ன, நான் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கணும் கேசரி ஹைஸ்கூல்ல. Still I will wait for that person until he or she sticks to the class. One day or other that person hold on to Vedanta. Vedanta is my primary job. For such students I continue here classes. I don't mind even they have their own responsibilities. It doesn't matter. Just I am telling. Such people know me. These people, other people do not know me. Mam na veda kaschana means anybody, anyone, no one anartham. Jeevaha mayaya avrataha san kaschana veda. Because they are all deluded by maya. That is why they do not know me. Veda Gita class ponadana and the yoga maya pohu. Illiyo. Therefore, the I, aham means the consciousness, I the OC, illu means yoga maya, everything, bhutani, the past bhutani beings, I illumine them, therefore I know them. Present bhutani, I illumine them, therefore I know them. Even that future going to come, that bhutani also, I am going to illumine them. They are going to survive because of me. Therefore, I know them. That is the meaning. Next shloka. Ichcha dvesha samuthena dvandva mohena bharata sarva bhutani sammoham sarge yanti parantapa. Now, Lord Krishna saying, what is this power of this Yoga Maya? What do you mean by Yoga Maya really? This Yoga Maya nu solrena. I am a great magician. I know what are all tricks I am doing. Magician, Mayazal, magician, there are tricks. He brings so many birds. He cut the body of the people and he brings so many things, but he knows nothing is there. We the audience, so many birds. Suppose he moved like this, so many birds will come. And if you go on pouring water you and I pour, nothing will come. He is pouring, water is coming, and we the people who are audience, what we see? Water we see, birds we see, so many things he creates, but the magician knows nothing is there. Isn't it? He is not deluded by those objects, but we, the people, see the birds flying, and he bring one dabba, and the dabba lunchi is go on bringing one batak. What is that? No? Birds. One, two, keep. 3. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. But the magician knows there is no single bird. There is no single bird. If magician also do not know, if he do not know, he cannot create. He knows how to do magic. He knows how to bring 10 birds. He knows how to bring so many saris. He knows how to bring. Lord Krishna is the big magician. Because I am only creating Yoga Maya and people are like audience. All these names and forms, daughter name form, wife name form, husband name and form, Tata, Kullu Tata, Pati, all names and forms are like one bird. Bhagavan, magician, முன்னாடி இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே உண்மையா? Just as for audience they are real birds, similarly for these people all these names and forms are real, Arjuna, but I know they are not real because I am the magician. I am the magician. I am using this Yoga Maya magic show. அப்போ என்ன சுவாமி, இந்த whole உலகம் magic show ஆனா? ஆமா. There is no difference at all. This is only Maya, magic. நம்ம முடியலையே சுவாமினி. அப்போ பல்லு வலி கூட மாயா தானே சுவாமினி? ஆமா. It is like a magic show. Then who knows this magic show along with Bhagavan? Gnani knows. Gnani goes to that Bhagavan. Bhagavan means what? Scriptures. And the book irukkum magic ella book eppadi pananum magic. Suppose you also learn and you know that is a magic. If you read that book, you also become a magician. But you don't create words. You know that is a magic, it is not real. Similarly, if we know, study the Shastra book, we know it is a magic. If you study thoroughly, Swamini, theriyala enna aguna. And the magic show 3 hours. This lifelong we have to suffer. Ange clap adichittu vandidalam. But inge clap adikka mudiyadhu. Sometimes we see that objectively. But here you are seeing subjectively. If you see objectively, it is a magic. If you subjectively, if you see, you are a samsari. But all people are seeing what? Subjectively. They are becoming part of that magic show. But you see from far that magic show, you also can clap. Jnani clap. Ajnani drown in the samsara. எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா சொல்லிட்டாள் சுவாமினி. மேஜிக் அனி ஒரே வார்த்தையில சொல்லிட்டாள். நான் எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எனக்கு உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. சாஸ்திரா says, if you know this, there are no problems. If you do not know this, you have a lot of doubts, confusions, all problems. You can never be happy completely. பூர்ணத்துவம் வராது. அதுதான் மேஜிக். யோக மாயான்னா மேஜிக் ஷோன்னு அர்த்தம். அது 3 மணி நேரம் தான். யூ ஹேவ் டு பே மணி, டிக்கெட் வாங்கணும். இந்த மேஜிக் ஷோக்கு திஸ் ஹோல் ஜெகத் நாடகம் மேஜிக்கு ஒரு பைசா செலவில்லை. 24 hours available. 24 hours available magic show. Therefore, gnaniki, this whole thing is just drama. அதனால நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்க்கு வரமாட்ட சுவாமி. நீங்க எல்லாம் டிராமா டிராமான்னு சொல்லுவேன். எனக்கு டிராமா மாதிரியே தெரியலையே. You also want to see it as a drama? Come to class. Yeah, you have to study Shastra. You can know it is a drama. Therefore, Lord Krishna says, you know what is the cause? Ichha dvesham samuthena. This yoga maya is born samuthena. Ichha dvesha samuthena, caused by the desire and hatred. Hey Bharata, if you have the question how this yoga maya has formed, how I am not able to know this magic? Because dvandva mohena, dvandva nimittau mohaha dvandva mohaha. Dvandva means a pair of opposites. This moha is caused by the pair of opposites. The delusion is caused by the pair of opposites, which delusion is nothing but yoga maya, which yoga maya is the cause for whole samsara. Which yoga maya is the cause not allowing the person to know my real nature. Why? Because he is overpowered by his likes and dislikes. ரொம்ப பவர்ஃபுல்லா சொல்லலாம் உட்கார்ந்து மேடையில. Implementing into our own life the toughest task. இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணாதான் யூ ஆர் பிரம்மனிஷ்டா. இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணலான்னா என்னன்னா parrot, another parrot. அந்த parrot மாதிரி இது ஒரு parrot. The toughest task is implementing. Free from raga dvesha. Ichha means pravritti. That objects which I like, I desire, that is called ichha. I get raga towards them, pravritti. Ichha dvesha, this is another. Dvandvanna rendu. Dvikotikaha dvandvaha. Dvikoti enna ichha. Ragam means I have attachment towards some people, some objects, desire. I like it, I like it, I like it. Dvesha, I don't like it, I don't like it. Disliking. Liking and disliking. Liking object towards you, go towards it. That is called raga. Disliking objects and people, what I do? You go away from that object or the person. Some people, wherever they go, they give happiness. Some people, whenever they go, they give happiness. Priyada? Not Priya, easier. Some people, wherever they go, they give happiness. Some people, whenever they go, other people get happiness. அது மாதிரி All of us, every human being. Why you? Me also. Me means what? As a body-mind complex, every human being is bound to have raga, dvesha. I like this, I don't like. I hate it. I hate it. If you in American English. I hate it. I like it, I hate it. I like it, I go towards it. I hate it, I go away from it. This is called pravritti, this is called nivritti. Nivritti, pravritti. Ichha, dvesha, aversion and attachment. Attachment, aversion, attachment, aversion, attachment, aversion. நீங்க லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க லைஃப்ல எல்லாமே டே ஃபுல்லா இதுதான். இது பிடிக்கும், இது பிடிக்காது, இது பிடிக்கும், இது பிடிக்காது. Ichha, dvesha, samuttena. This is called dvandva mohena. This dvandva, Sita, Ushna. See, Bhagavan created dvandvas. They are okay. What are dvandvas Bhagavan created? Day and night. No problem. Day, night. Cold and heat Bhagavan created. Whatever Bhagavan created, that pair of opposites, no problem. There is no problem. But where is the problem? When I come across that, when I have subjectivity towards that object, when I possess it, suppose if it was going to leave me, I get a problem. When I want to get it, what I like, it is with me. Suppose it departs from me, I have a problem, pain. Jaya, apajaya. All when subjectively I see from my standpoint, that is why even success is not a success. Puja Swamiji says, what do you mean by success? Success is a relative standpoint. One lady says, I have cooked so nicely today, a great success. அவர் வீட்டுக்காரர் சாப்பிட்டு உப்பு கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சலா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டார். என்ன பெரிய சக்சஸ் என்ன? So your success from your standpoint, that is also meaningless success. What do you mean by success? I am a successful person in life. What do you mean by success? Because I am earning 10,000 salary, therefore I am a successful person. I have brought up my children and they have established, they are standing on their own legs and I am a successful person. But you ask your children, என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன் அந்த படிப்பு படிக்க வச்சல இந்த படிப்பு படிக்க வைக்கலாம். Hey, I am thinking I am a successful person. No, you are not a successful person. You are not a successful person from their standpoint. What do you mean by success? Failure, same way. Even failure also. I got a lot of failures in my life. What do you mean by failure? From your standpoint, what you are thinking failure is a success from other person's standpoint. These are all standpoints. Therefore, your subjectivity, you are focusing your mind like that. This is called raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, ichha, dvesham, desire, attachment, aversion. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பண்ண வேலை, ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி. இந்த ஜீவ சிருஷ்டியில தான் ப்ராப்ளமே. பகவான் சிருஷ்டியில ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. பகவான் சொல்றார், இச்சா துவேஷ சமுத்தேன துவந்த்வ மோகேன பாரதா சர்வபூதானி சம்மோகம். எப்ப வந்தது இந்த இச்சா துவேஷன்னா? சுவாமி இஸ் டெல்லிங், மெட்டர்னிட்டி வார்டுல வெயிட்டிங்கா. இந்த ராக துவேஷா இந்த குழந்தை பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, இன்னும் டெலிவரியே ஆகல, இன்னும் வெளியிலே வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் ராக துவேஷா ஆர் வெயிட்டிங் to attack him. Sarge yanti ennar. By birth they get ennar. இந்த பிறக்கும் போது வந்துடுமா எது எனக்கு பிடிக்கும் எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. பாரு பேபி கூட ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுவான். If some other woman she takes into her hands, போவாங்க. அம்மா கையில தான் ராகம், அப்புறம் பொம்மை, இதெல்லாம் ராகம். Aversion starts. Sarge means at the time of creation, at the time of birth itself, this raga, dvesha enters. Sarvabhutani sammoham sarge yanti. Parantapa. Parantapayati iti parantapa. Hey Arjuna, the one who is the scorcher of enemies. Hey Arjuna, all beings get deluded. Yanti means get. Overpowered. Sammoham, this they are afflicted by, deluded by. At that time of birth itself. Helpless. We are all helpless. But there is a remedy. Even though you are born with these problems, Ichcha, Dvesha, don't worry. Bhagavan created human beings, all beings, provided the food. Bhagavan created Ichcha, Dvesha also through Yoga Maya and given the Shastra. Given the Shastra, you study Shastra, you are free from Ichcha, Dvesha. You are free from Yoga Maya. 28. Yesham pantagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te dvandva moha nirmuktaham bhajante mam dridhavrataha. When this Yoga Maya will go, Lord Krishna is giving answer. Arjuna, when a person perform noble actions, punya karmanam, jananam punya karmanam, papam antagatam bhavati. The papa will go away. This Ichcha Dvesha itself is a papa. That which papa obstructs the person not to study Shastra. That itself is a papa. That papa will go by punya karma. If when that papa goes, that punya karma will reduce that papa. He studies Shastra, that moha will go away. That details we'll see in the next class. Therefore, we need not feel bad if we have raga dvesha. By birth, Bhagavan has given. Bhagavan has given remedy also how to come out. Adi purinjak vendam. Aduvinde irkanuma enna. Isn't that? I am a hungry person. Bhagavan provided the food, I eat and enjoy. Similarly, if I have raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, some weaknesses, how to come out Yoga Maya? That we'll see in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.